Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to recover your hacked Proton account. In this video, I will show you how to change and reset your password and how to recover your account if the hacker changed your password and you have no alternative recovery option. Head down to the description or comment section to view the timestamps. Let's go. To change your password, click on your profile at the top right and click Settings. Then click Account and Password. And here you can click Change Password and type in your current password. And click Continue. And if you enable 2FA, you can enter in your 2FA code. And then here you can type in your new password and confirm your password. And changing your password before the hacker does will lock the hacker out of the account. And if you're logged out, you can try to access Proton from another device or browser that you already may be logged into. So recap, if you're still able to log in, change your password, and if you're unable to log in, it's time to try to reset your password. To reset your password, click on Trouble Signing In down here, then click Forgot Password, and then enter in either your email or your username, and click Next. And then you can either type in your recovery phrase and click Reset Password, or if you had a recovery email, you can type in your recovery email, get sent a code, and then after that you can also reset your password. So here I'll put in my recovery phrase and click Reset Password, and then I will click Reset Password again, but it will disable my 2FA in any active session, so I won't do it, but you'll be able to reset your password. If you're recovering using your recovery email address, you can type in your email address here, your recovery email address, and then click Send Code. And you can come over here and complete the CAPTCHA. And then you want to go ahead and check your recovery email address inbox for the code. So the email should look something like this, and it should come from noreply@recovery.proton.me. And if you verify that it does, you can copy and paste the code. Click Reset Password, and then once again, it will do what it does before, like disable 2FA and also sign out everywhere. If you couldn't find your account information, then you would need to go to the next recovery step. If you are unable to recover your account through the password reset, head over to this support link here. This is Proton's official support page. And make sure you have Proton account selected, and under How Can We Help You, select Login, Password, and Recovery. And under What Can We Help You With, select I Forgot My Password, / My password is not working. And then this will come up, so you can read it if you want to, but since you don't have access to your Proton account anymore, you can click No Contact Support. And then here you can go ahead and fill out the form. You want to put your contact email address where they'll reach you, your actual Proton username or email, and then you want to also go ahead and fill out your operating system information, browser, version, whatnot. It should already be pre-selected down here. So for message, you can put you can use the prompt that I have in the description. It's basically a format, and you can just change it and tailor it to your needs. And once you fill out the entire form, you can click Send Message and wait for Proton support to contact you with the contact email address that you provided. Here are some tips on securing your Proton account. Secure your email and recovery email. Verify that the recovery email and phone number on the account belong to you. Use different and strong passwords across all sites. Enable 2FA. Save your recovery phrase. Have a recovery email. Go to settings and sign out of everywhere. And revoke any suspicious third-party apps or third-party logins. If you follow the steps in this video and still having trouble with your account, we do offer a free account security assessment to evaluate your situation and provide guidance and recommendations to secure your account against future threats. For more in-depth support, we also offer a paid account recovery service to walk you through the process of regaining access to your social media, email, and other personal accounts. You can book an appointment using the link below or visit the website on your screen to recover and secure your account today. We'll never ask for any personal account information or passwords. We just guide you through the recovery process. Thanks for watching. Stay secure.